Hey y'all, today we're in Miramar Beach, Florida, and we heard there's a campground here with sites directly on the Gulf. As in, when you step out, you are on the beach. So y'all know we are going to check this one out. So we are headed to Camp Gulf. The campground is conveniently located just off of Highway 98 in Miramar Beach. They have 215 campsites here. 16 of those are the beachfront sites. Now, these sites don't have sewer hookup and no pets are allowed. So, for those of you bringing fur babies or wanting the full hookups but still want to be able to walk out onto the beach easily, they have what's called the beach sites, and those are on the south end of the park. They also have 20 cabins, 3 glamping tents, and a beach house rental that sleeps 15. They have 2 pools, one with this very cool slide, a hot tub, a game room, a big fire pit, an activity center, and much more. They also have 3 bathhouses and laundry facilities. I've added a map here to show you how we'll be driving through today. We'll go straight in by the cabins, turn by the activity center, circle around by the casting pond. These down here in yellow are the beach sites, and then these down here in red are the beach front sites. We'll circle back around the other side, show you that gorgeous pool on our way out, and then head to the exit. Well, that's going to do it for today's tour of the Camp Gulf Campground here in Miramar Beach, Florida. I'd love to know what y'all thought about this one. Make sure you leave us a comment below and let us know. We appreciate y'all watching today, and don't forget, if you're not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see y'all on the next one.